Hello, everyone, again. This is my second technology that I want to talk to you about. It's called Wiser. Wiser is a free app and or technology is available app-based and web-based. It's very teacher and student friendly. You can sign in with your Google account or you can create a simple account for it. And it's pretty much a Swiss Army knife for teachers to create study aids for their students. And I'm going to have a quick demonstration here shortly. One of the good things I like about this is that I can kind of import other assignments to kind of highlight what the students are doing in the classroom. Pretty much being able to gauge further technology to be able to give the students an additional resource that they can learn from. When I start talking about blended learning and things along those lines, my creativity, I believe that this is a great resource to be able to use. So let's go right into it. I'm going to create a worksheet. It asks me what type of design I like to use. Okay, so I just want to try to use, I'm going to keep something simple right here. And I can just start going and incorporate whatever I need to. So if I want to have an open question, a multiple choice, etc., okay, I can be able to navigate through these options and be able to discuss certain things with students. Okay. So you can put person's name on there. They already have my name on here. My face is going to be on there. It's already incorporated. I built it in. And I pretty much married up my Google account with this so that it's able to make it very user-friendly. So I can type in here was, how was your first day of school? And I can send it to them. And it's going to be able to talk to me just like pretty much, when you talk about a Google Classroom and things like that there, it's just an additional resource. What I additionally like about it is I can make a worksheet for grades on this, just like a Google Classroom. I can add it to my drive or I can save it. Being able to incorporate this in a format of my creativity, it really works well for me as far as being able to assign different personnel to it, make answers and grade sheets from it, and really pretty much have fun for kind of, as I usually say, break up the kind of the silhouette as far as we traditional do. So again, it's very, very user-friendly for teachers and students, Wiser. And I graded this one as far as the ISTE Standard 3C, which is inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. So it's giving me some room to experiment with, also giving my students something that they can kind of grasp onto and having fun as far as using technology. Thank you very much for your time and look forward to, I'll come right back with the number 3 technology in our app that I found. Thanks.